Luxury Motorsports is proud to present for sale this low-mileage 2017 Kia Forte5 SX Hatchback. With just over 3,000 miles on the clock, the remainder of its factory warranty, and its spirited turbocharged engine, this head-turning Forte 5 offers sporty looks and handling at a highly affordable price point. This 6-speed manual enjoys 18-inch wheels, dual exhaust tips, sport-tuned suspension and larger front brakes. The well-furnished interior boasts Bluetooth, navigation, backup camera and sunroof. For a full list of specifications on this particular model, please visit our website at luxurymotorsports.us. Not only is this SX a blast to drive, has great street appeal and offers a lot of bang for the buck, it is also fuel efficient, enjoying 30 miles a gallon on the highway. You will find the transmission shifts easy and responsive. The car will also recommend which gear you should change into. Remember, here at Luxury Motorsports, we can finance just about everybody. We pay top dollar for trades and we will price match, if not beat, any other dealer's comparable vehicle. What have you got to lose? Luxury Motorsports is open 6 days a week and by appointment only on Sundays. Please call us to schedule your test drive today.